Good afternoon. This is SNE Weather. This is Josh here. Just going to go over the storm that's going to come up at the end of this week. But first, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel, and you'll be entered into a sweepstakes at the end, in which I will give an announcement about that as the date when we'll do the raffle for that sweepstakes. All right, so here's the European computer model right now. Currently, we are looking at Thursday morning around 3 a.m. I got a storm center beginning to develop right there off the Carolina coastline. It starts moving up into the Delmarva Peninsula area. This is midnight on Friday. 3 a.m. on Friday. Eventually just moves up right through southern New England throughout the day on Friday. Storm begins to move out early on Saturday morning, and on the backside there's going to be an interesting scenario where we could see some snow showers, and this is multiple runs that showing that there could be some snow showers on Saturday morning. Storm system starts moving out and gets out of here before the next storm, which is slated to possibly Monday, Tuesday of next week, which we could see some snow. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but in a future video I will definitely be getting into that. All right, let's look at the GFS computer model right now. Also showing the same thing, coming up right through the Delmarva Peninsula area, right around about almost the same time. Comes up right through southern New England. Now look at this. You're going to see it right there, right over Rhode Island. And then you see it drops about 10 millibars here on the GFS computer model. When you look at the European, you see it's 993, 986, and then comes 985, 984. You know, it's a pretty good drop in pressure right there between right there, 998 down to 9986. So it wouldn't be a surprise to me if you actually heard some thunder actually happen with this storm system. And you can actually see this right here. This whole area just blossoms really well. And so you're going to see probably some thunderstorms beginning to develop as this thing really just starts wrapping up right on top of us. So that's the Euro there. Here's the GFS again. Storm comes up. It's at 1,000 down to 992 right here. And it's also showing a pretty good band of thunderstorms right off the coast there. You know, it wouldn't surprise me for a second if right here as it dropped, this is this darker shade of green here is indicating some thunderstorms actually developing in this system. Here's some wind gust possibilities that are going to take place. Here's the Euro. Right now, you're talking about right around about 45 to 50, maybe 55 mile per hour wind gusts along the coast, inland about 40 to 50 wind gusts taking place. Here's your GFS computer model. Kind of saying the same thing. It actually shows what I find interesting about the GFS is it shows two areas of where it might get some gusty winds. First is on Friday morning. Let's get that back. Let's see, right there. You see right along here, these winds are right around 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Right here, it's about 45 to 50 mile per hour right there on that. And then you see right there along Nantucket, and I'm wondering if this is an indication of the possibility of some thunderstorms developing where these wind gusts actually take place. It's a possibility, but not a certainty. And then there's a second round of wind gusts that come right in, and right around 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts here. As we go to the next model, this is the NAM, as that is starting to get in range with this storm system. You can see the rain just coming in. Right now, slated around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday afternoon. And, you know, and it's like I said, you can see right here, like I was showing on these other models, like the GFS, showing thunderstorm. Oh, let's get that back there. Thunderstorms. These could be some thunderstorms that develop as the pressure just drops rapidly. That could be what this line is indicating as well, that the GFS was showing. And you can see it just comes out. It does weaken a little bit as it enters probably some cooler air, more stable atmosphere. But this storm just really does look like it's going to start really wrapping up, and you can see some more thunderstorms out over in the open waters, and all this is just going to be pinwheeling right inside. So it is something just to keep an eye on. Let's see what happens. And I do have one other thing I'd like to show you. These here are trajectories of where the low pressure will head in. And as you can see down here, we have the GFS, UCMET, NAM, CMC models. And you can see here, almost all the models take low pressure right over southern New England. And one thing that I noticed about this, it's more on an eastward slope, which I was actually talking about yesterday a little bit, because I really felt that there was going to be more of an east track by what it looked like in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Now, looking at the last few GFS computer model runs, and if you look down here, you can see 0Z, 12Z, 0Z, and the dates right next to it. So the green was like the midnight run from like Wednesday morning. And you could see there is a shift westward within the GFS. Now, if you look at all the combination of all the ensemble runs that are here, and you could see most of the ensembles are all on top of southern New England, if not more inland. So, you know, it could be that the storm is going to come a little further inland than expected, but looking at the SREF, you could see this is most of these are over here, more on the west side. Even the NAM is more westward, doing more of a westward track, and if you could see also the SREF is just a little bit more eastward, and there are a few of these lines out here, but these are more outliers than anything else. So my thinking right now is that most of this storm is going to stay just a little bit off the coast. I think this right here, what the SREF is showing, is pretty much what I think is going to be the track of this storm system as it moves off the east coast. So that's it for now. Just wanted to give this quick video update. I did say I was going to try to get one in today before I start working this afternoon up in Boston. But I had a special announcement. As I said, we're going to be giving away a $100 gift card to a place of your choice. Now, in order for you to qualify to get into this, you must, one, obviously watch the video. 2, like the video. 3, subscribe to my channel. And lastly, leave a comment about the video, and also please leave your email address so I can get in contact with you should you win the $100 gift card. Now, one other thing that I would like to ask: when you get your gift card in the mail, please take a picture with the gift card. Let's try that again. With the gift card, and send it in so I can post it and congratulate you in front of everyone. There was something else. I don't remember what it was right this second, but let's see. If I remember, I'll put it on the Facebook page. But like I said, everybody have a wonderful day. I won't be able to update on this storm through a video tomorrow. I don't think I will be able to. If I can, I'll make sure I'll do it. But as of right now, I don't think it's going to happen. But I will definitely be posting on the early week snow potential as well. Everybody have a great rest of your week.